In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, we hear from two former wards of state who consider themselves success stories despite their circumstances. As Ken Morgan tells us, the two want to dispel the stigma attached to institutionalized children.
A loving home for every child. It's the foundation on which SOS Children Villages Jamaica prides itself, and a sentiment these former wards of the state can attest to. Nardia Taylor and David Miller are products of institutionalized living, and here is where they share their fondest memories. Nardia Taylor joined the Stony Hill arm of the institution in Kingston at 2 years old with her younger sibling. For her, it was home.
I got that social aspect going. I got a good education, as any other child would who is not an institutional child. And I got a chance to transition into society.
However, growing up in state care came with its own challenges.
Even going to school, people used to say, you know, SOS Pitney, not a mother and not a father, when they're hungry.
To Nardia, who is now a midwife, those statements were rumors. It is why she's dispelling that misconception.
I am an institutionalized person. If I don't say I am, no one knows. And I am always opting to say that I am, to the shock of many people. I don't know why you're shocked, because institutionalized children are children too. Institutionalized children are loved and cared for just like children with their moms and dads.
David joined the St. James arm of the institution in Barrytown at 3 years old. He says the morals and values he garnered there created the path for him becoming a tourism licensing officer and entrepreneur. Now a resident justice of the peace at the facility, he has committed himself to giving back the care he received.
We coach them from time to time to ensure that they lead in the right path, so that when they reach into society, then they are accepted. So you have to guide them, encourage them.
We have talks on what you want to be, you know, what you think you're into, what you like, what's your interests, and motivate them to try to do something that you love.
They're imploring others to be kind to those living in state care. With A Ray of Hope, I'm Ken Morgan.